We're going to get set up out here. Crusher fans, get up, stretch those arms and legs. It's been a long game, but your Crushers are on top. You guys all ready? On the count of three. 3, 2, 1.
Take